Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink. Today's topic is a Robben Ford style blues guitar riff. It's going to be really cool. A student of mine brought it in the studio here and from a video, and I really liked it, and I'm going to show you how it sounds and some ideas how to play with it. That's how it sounds. With the riff. And so on. It's quite cool, and you could really dive deep into the realms of blues, but also some jazzy tones, and we're gonna check it out, and it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be cool. Okie dokie. So the whole philosophy behind this blues guitar, Robben Ford style blues guitar riff, is that we have voicing, which we don't change and just move around. We start here with this chord here, which is an E7 sharp 9 chord. So here 6, 7, 8, open E string. Then we move it down 1 fret and play the open A string. And now suddenly we have a 13 chord. Moving it back to E, and then move it up 1 fret, and now we take the bass note here with the thumb, or if you want you can also just change the chord like this if you don't, but just so you understand, just moving around this one voicing, and here we have a B13 chord. So that's basically the whole thing, and it's quite cool. And from the range you can do either 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And now I'm using the open string or the bass note to switch to the next chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the open A string, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So you come on 4 and with the bass note of the next chord, and this gives you quite a cool vibe. I'll show you. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. It's really cool. Yeah, that's it. We're finished. Now today's going to be really quite a short tutorial because the riff is not hard to play. Well, at least the chords not, but the soloing has quite some challenges. You can make a variation on this riff here. There's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. So you can make a little syncope here. You make 1 and then 2. You stop. Then note 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So you have this little syncope, but the rest remains the same, and that will sound like this. Oh yeah. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Now let's. Oh, here it is. So you have a slight variation, but we keep it quite simple to get this typical Robben Ford, I would say mystic type of jazzy, bluesy vibe which we want to create. And now we come into So the big mystery, what shall we play to this type of blues? We want to have it mystic, we want to have it jazzy, we want to have it bluesy, but obviously when you play over the tune, it's a blues in E, pentatonic doesn't work fully. So we really need to make a few tricks here to make it sound mystic, make it sound jazzy and bluesy. So we're playing the, I would say we stay in this position here. We play the E minor blues scale. But don't think it too hard, it's just, these are just the notes. We're gonna keep it simple. When we go, so we play something quite simple here with the E minor blues scale. When we go to the A, so we go here to the C sharp, we still, even if the C sharp is not part of the blues scale, we use it, but still move on with the blues scale. And on the B, the easiest thing you can do, there we don't, the blues scale doesn't fit, there we just play. We just play from this B, play just chord notes. Let's see how that works. I'll show you. So that works pretty cool. But now the B somehow doesn't really sound too cool. Now we're gonna, instead of playing a B13 on the solo, we play this one here. We play a B13 flat 9, which sounds quite harsh, but in this constellation it works perfectly because it gives you the strong mystic vibe, it gives you the strong jazzy vibe, and that's what we want. But now comes the big question, which scale fits there? That's in fact a good question. I can tell, but maybe it's for some of you guys it's too hard to understand it. It's the half tone full tone scale. This will be this one here. Or here. So we have half tone, full tone, half tone, full tone, half tone, full tone, half tone, full tone, half tone. So this one will be the perfect one which fits there, but if it's too hard for you, just make this the chord, but then add here the C. And something like this works. Let's check it out. Let's do the scale. It sounds really cool. So what we have now on the B flat, no, on the B, sorry, we have an alteration. This is kind of an alteration but not the typical alteration, because we're using the half-tone full-tone scale, and this gives this really crazy, mystic, and very, very jazzy vibe. So start experimenting with this scale. I'm gonna write it down for you guys in a little example if it's too complicated. The tabs will be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, plus this cool backing track I produced. And the good news is I produced it as if a band would play it in the Birdland Club in New York. So it's quite cool. Yo, so that works pretty well, and keep it simple, keep it mystic, keep it, I don't know, Robben Ford style. Yo guys, that was the Robben Ford style blues guitar riff. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. It's really fun. I really love Robben Ford. Who doesn't, I would say. Who knows Robben Ford? And you can... The trick with Robben Ford is playing a very, very sophisticated blues guitar by just using pentatonics or the minor, the blues scale, but then suddenly he switches to jazzy scales, and this you can do here as well, as shown by using the half-tone, full-tone scale. Yo, however, if everything was too fast for you or too complicated, or you already forgot what I was talking about, you can, I'm gonna make some tabs for you guys. You can download them in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, plus this cool backing track, which is really worth checking it out. And somehow the microphone seems to not work so properly, or I just hit it. Yo, one more to say, that's it. Please join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you love my channel, please subscribe to it. Please share to the world. Me and Dr. Ping are existing. And that's it for all. See you guys.